Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty from Hello Kitty's Island Adventure. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start on the top right and let's add the bow. Let's first draw a circle. Now from the top, let's bring it up, around, and back in. And the same on the bottom right. And then inside each one, let's add a curve in the center. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the bow and let's draw two curves coming to a point for the first ear. Then from the left side, let's draw a curve over. And then the other ear in the same way. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same thing on the right side under the bow. And now let's connect them at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move in and draw the face. We'll start by drawing the eyes with two small ovals. Then inside each one, let's add another circle at the top. Now let's hop into the middle and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. Lastly, let's add three curves on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two curves down. Then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the necklace. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw two curves across. Then let's angle it down on both sides. And now connect it with a curve at the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's draw another curve across. Now on the sides, let's add the beads. On each side, let's draw two circles going upwards. Next, let's hop inside the shirt at the bottom and let's draw two curves across. And that's it for the top. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up and out. Then for the end, let's draw a small bump. Then let's curve it around and back in. Now let's hop over and draw the right side. Let's start with two curves down, a small bump at the bottom, and then a larger curve to close off the hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the skirt. From both sides, let's draw a curved line down, then underneath towards the left side, let's draw a curve all the way down and over to the right. And then another curve underneath on the left. Now let's move inside and draw the flower pattern. In the left section, let's start with the circle. And then let's draw flower petals around it. Now top over in the next section, and in the top, let's draw some petals. And then another flower on the bottom right corner. And that's it for the skirt. Now let's move down and add the feet. Let's draw a curved rectangle shape underneath on the left, and the same thing on the right. And that's it for Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!